Yo, what's up, beautiful people? It's B Girl, and you are welcome to my channel. Please subscribe.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
So today's video is about a very simple hairstyle you can use everyday hairstyle, protective hairstyle, flat twisting. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead part my hair. I like C-section, so I'm just gonna go ahead part my hair and I'll start flat twisting. So if you don't know how to flat twist and you'd like me to make a detailed video on how to flat twist, please leave it in the comment section below. I don't even know what I'm saying, but go ahead. Keep watching. So I think my lines are becoming straighter every day. At first, when I started parting my hair myself, my lines were like really crooked, but now it's smooth, you know. Ouch. So just now I am going to flat twist. So for this flat twist, I don't know if this is not detailed enough. You let me know so I can make a detailed video on how to flat twist. So when you're flat twisting, make sure that the end of your flat twist is really tight. You like to make it tight because you don't want to have any problem like when it's gonna lose something. So I'm gonna part the second side now. Everything I did for the first one, I'm just gonna do it the second one now. Yeah. So I have a very big forehead, guys. Like I don't my forehead is big. Yeah, I don't know if anyone has this. Okay, maybe everyone has the same forehead, but look at it, it's like this head. Okay, so for this side I wanted to do the other way flat twist, but no, I said let me do the same thing, so I just flat twisted the same thing. And I don't know how to explain this, just keep watching. I wanted to say I flat twisted to my right, but I might just speaking jargon, so you just go ahead and watch what I am doing. I love flat twisting because it's kind of the new cool. I love it better than cornrow, and it's more simple and more easier than cornrow, and it's very cool. So that's why most of my hair I just love flat twisting a bit, but I can cornrow, yeah, but not as much as I love flat twisting. So that's it for it, babes. And then you just have to go ahead, comb your back, comb your afro. I don't even know this is afro. Like I just manage my little hair. Listen, it's beautiful. So now you need to comb your hair. This is not afro. And now to when you are going to tie into a bun. So you need to be very careful. It depends on how you want to make it. This is a very simple hairstyle without gel. You can use anywhere, like anyhow, anytime. So I actually made this hair before now, and I was like, why don't you just make a video, share your idea with people? So I just decided to make this video, and I hope you guys love it. So I'm then gonna go ahead and use my accessories. I don't have much accessories, so this is all I can do. And give this video a thumbs up if you find it interesting, because I know you are so gonna find it interesting. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video, guys. Share this video. Why are you not giving me the motivation to post more? I love you. Mwah.